Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add border to your video in Premiere Pro. So it is very easy. First of all, you just need to drag your video to your timeline, and now we need to make it a bit zoom out so that we can apply the effect. So for that, just select your clip and make sure that from window you have enabled this effect control option, and here you will see that then if I click on it, I'll see the option scale. So we have to let it a bit zoomed out just like this. And once you do that, it's time for us to add the border. So for that, you need to make sure that in window this option is enabled, which is essential graphics. But if you're using the new version, then it will be named as properties. I'm using the older one, so that's why I'm not getting the properties option, but instead I have this essential graphics. So I'm just gonna open that. So both are just same, it doesn't matter like you open properties or essential graphics. Once you do that, just click on this rectangle option. If you don't see it, just hold your click and just select rectangle tool. Now we need to draw a rectangle over to our video just like so. Once you do that, let's create the border. So for that, we need to uncheck this fill button and click on stroke 1, and here we need to set this option to center, and now just increase the stroke just like this, and you can see we are getting the border. So you can just adjust the border however you like, and once you're done, just you need to stretch this border effect till the end of our video so that we'll get the border till the end of the video. Now the main thing, if I select my video and try to zoom it, you will see that the border is now staying with the video. In order to solve this, just select both of these, your effect and video clip, hit right click, click on nest. You can just name anything to this, I'll just leave it as it is, and just click on OK. Now if I again click on video and try to zoom this, you will see that the border is staying with the video, and it's that easy to add border to your video in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.